How you doing? Scotty back with another video. This video about the pretrial. So it's about 24 hours here till I will argue what amounts to my assistant's case, Mary Joy. I put my money up to see if we could not recover the cost as the shopkeeper Pack and Ship does not want to make good on the insurance claim and its failure to deliver the package that I paid for about 155 days ago. I shipped a package via I guess I paid Pack and Ship, and the package went DHL, but neither of them want to one, produce the package, make it go forward, return the package, and they have blamed everybody. And the package contents are basically, like I said, things that my assistant paid for. She wants some things from the United States. Plus, I put in a few other electronics for her. Things I had laying around, an older iPad, an older iPhone, and things like this. And I felt like this was such a shitty thing. And I don't mind suing people, actually. I've been sued a few times, and I've sued a few companies, and it's a bit of a mixed result. My buddy Jeff says court is for gamblers, and if you watch my channel, I am a bit of a gambler, so this makes perfect sense. And I love to argue these type of things. I think it's fun. The consumer issues are always interesting, and this one has a particular stench to it, that's for sure. And the shopkeeper felt like, shucks, it's not his fault. I mean, really is what it amounts to. And of course, DHL is a ridiculously bad company. So, I felt like it was worth, a couple $100 to see if I couldn't drag these buttholes in the court and see if I couldn't get my money back. So I made about 20 videos about it. The exhibits are in. I filed my exhibits, outlining the lies, the misinformation, actually an email from Pack and Ship, saying that, if you want to return the package, these are the terms or whatever. I agreed to the terms. I mean, at that point, I really had lost faith in Pack and Ship and DHL to deliver the package. So they lied about that. They lied that the package was in final clearance, which it wasn't. And we basically have DHL, Pack and Ship, and the Bureau of Customs all pointing fingers at each other, but no package. And no one is, it's just interesting. I mean, I paid for premium shipping, Worldwide Express. The package is fully insured. I don't know how they're going to get out of this. My attorney buddy, Jeffy Poo, was no longer an attorney. I just kind of bounced legal stuff off of him. He's a very smart guy. And he basically said, well, if they don't have the facts and they don't have the law, they're likely to argue equity, which it really seems like that's what they're ready to do. Of course, DHL has an attorney, but Pack and Ship looks like may have retained an attorney to argue this case for them. The shopkeeper seems a little silly. And, if I was a shopkeeper, I would have tried to maybe de-escalate this a little earlier, maybe refunded my money. I don't know. I mean, everybody reacts a little bit different, but nonetheless, it appears he, hired an attorney to, argue this case for him. And like I said, I got a few attorney buddies that I bounced this off, and of course, what I know about the law, or don't know rather, this probably is a dead bang loser for them. I mean, it's simple breach of contract. They never performed the service it was contracted to do. The package still remains undelivered, like I said, about 155 days ago, and I am going to go in and tell my side of the story to the judge. And I guess to be fair to all sides, in this matter, I've certainly lost better cases without doubt, and I've won my share too. So, this will be another kind of just interesting story. Like I've made many videos, I think it's very interesting content. I know DHL has a ridiculously bad reputation online, and that, kind of pushed me over the edge, wanting to take them to court to make content about this story, if nothing else. And then I uncovered a huge treasure trove of information about this slimy procedure, including the Bureau of Customs in the Philippines, DHL, and their ridiculously bad terms. I mean, you really have almost no protections shipping with DHL, and again, paying a shopkeeper to ship your package, and how that all turns out and works out for the consumer, right? So, like I said, I'm arguing tomorrow for my wonderful assistant, Mary. And if we win, of course, she will get her money back. I have a few dollars invested in of course, the gifts that I sent her, the iPad, actually some candy, as all packages from the United States have to have candy going to the Philippines, and some various other things that I threw in the box, gifts for her or whatnot. And she's been a wonderful assistant for me for about 4 years now, maybe somewhere in that range. And I wanted to show her my appreciation for that, and argued this case, as I thought this was very, dirty thing for these companies to do. And wish me luck. Like I said, for me, it's content, and I don't know, maybe I win, maybe I lose, but I appreciate you watching. If you're following this story, it's gonna be fun. It'll be the first one of probably many videos that I do like this. Now that I have a YouTube channel and whatnot, I like to expose these type of things, especially when I feel like I was wronged, like this situation here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful Wednesday morning.